Sandy chicken bites are delicious and easy to prepare. Here is the recipe with an Italian twist. Ingredients: 500 grams of chicken breast, 150 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, oil for frying. Preparation: cut the chicken breast into medium-sized bites, trying to make them all more or less the same size for even cooking. Season the bites with salt and pepper to taste. Prepare 3 containers. In the first, put the flour. In the second, beat the eggs. And in the third, mix the breadcrumbs with the grated Parmesan cheese. Dredge each chicken bite in the flour, making sure it is well coated. Dip it then into the beaten eggs, allowing the breading to adhere. Finally, roll the bite in the mixture of breadcrumbs and Parmesan. Repeat the process for all the chicken bites. Heat plenty of oil in a large pan or fryer. Fry the bites in small batches to avoid dropping the oil temperature until golden brown and crispy. Drain the bites on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve hot accompanied by lemon wedges or a sauce of your choice. Curiosity: adding Parmesan cheese to the breadcrumbs gives the bites a tasty and distinctive note, which pairs wonderfully with the crispy exterior and the soft and juicy interior of the chicken. This breading method is sometimes called Milanese style because of the famous cutlet, even though it is presented here in bite-sized form.